How to block someone on X. In this video, I'll show you how to block a user on X quickly and easily. First, open the X app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Next, find the profile of the person you want to block. You can do this by searching for their username or opening their profile from your timeline. Tap on it. Once you're on their profile page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the screen. A list of options will appear. Select Block from the menu. Now, X will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply tap Block again to confirm. That's it. The user has now been blocked. They won't be able to follow you, send you direct messages, or interact with your posts while the block remains active. If you ever want to unblock someone, just visit their profile again and select the Unblock option. And that's how to block someone on X. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more XApp tips, Twitter tutorials, and social media how-to guides.